All right. And yep. Hi, this is Zach from Cell House, Ohio. We have one of our sellers here today, Choice, and we just closed on her property. So, Choice, how did you first hear about us? How did you find us? Tell us about your situation, why you sold the house.
Well, my father sold it because he could no longer deal with it, and I heard about y'all. I was just online looking for someone, and you looked friendly, so I thought I'd go with y'all.
All right, I appreciate that. And so, how was your overall experience with me as your sales rep and our company in general?
Well, you know what? I really thought um, that things weren't going to work out, and that you all weren't what you said you were. The way the scams are nowadays, yeah,
Hmm.
you just can't never be careful. You always got to be careful.
Hmm.
But talking to you and how patient you were, even when I wasn't, you were really helpful, and I really appreciate it. I do. I
All
don't
right.
regret it. It got my father out of I wanted him out of. So I don't regret and I will be passing your name along in case somebody else wants to sell their house.
Are perfect, perfect. I appreciate that. And yep. And again, this is Zach from Cell House, Ohio. If you are someone who wants to sell your property for cash as is, find us online at www.cellhousecolumbus.com or call us at 614 300 5151. Thank you. All right. Bye. All right.